I'm Fifth and I make art, and if you should see this video, I was able to film at the London Print Club. I got it as a birthday present to try a beginner workshop, which is going to be in 2 days. I'm really excited, and I hope that now you will be able to see some footage of it and then hopefully see the end result of my print. Let's go. Hello, I'm back. It's voiceover Fifth. I thought I'm just gonna comment a little bit on what I was doing or what I was learning. So first, I arrived and I met really nice people, like I said before, and we all got our frames that we're gonna put our designs on. We had a little bit of a look at prints and how people made prints. Then they printed out our designs and everyone got their positives. After that, I forgot to say, in the beginning we covered the frames in the emulsion. So yeah, that we did that in the very beginning. We're already at the so this is where there was a vacuum to print the design onto the emulsion, and then we had to wash out all the paint, and then we were drying it in the sun outside. And there is me sneezing. But yeah, it was lovely. And then after that, while this was drying, we had a lunch break. And after that, what happened after that? Okay, we all got our papers. We all got 8 very thick papers to print on. We had to choose colors, and there were many colors to choose from. And then they taught us how to put our frames into the beds. And that's me. And I'll just let you watch what I did. Bye. Beautiful. I'm back, and oh shit, I forgot to close the window. How fucking cool is that? I just got back and I am so happy. I had an amazing workshop. It was really nice people there. Not only the people that were like leading the workshop, but also the other participants were really nice, really kind. I think we were 12 people. Everyone made such cool things for like the first time doing something like this. And I bought their book as well, which I'm very happy about. I wasn't planning on buying it because my dad has this one in German and I thought I can just use his book. But then when I was looking through it, I was like, oh, I kind of want to have it. So I bought it, and I think it's going to be very helpful because there's so much that I didn't get straight away because it was like just a lot of information. So I think I'm just gonna take my time and work my way through this book, and it's almost 300 pages. Yeah, just super happy that I got this. And yeah, then just like all my prints, I have 8 of them, and almost all of them are turned out very, very good. This was the print. Yeah, and some of them have like this one, for example, has like this mini dot in the corner, but I don't mind at all. I'm just gonna use it. It's like really nice proper paper, and I'm just gonna, because I'm gonna keep painting on them probably and working with them, and really nice. And yeah, I definitely want to try out more and different techniques, and I'm gonna go back to Germany in 2 weeks, 1 week, and I'm gonna have a creative week with my dad, which I'm extremely excited about. And I think I might film as well. We'll see how I feel, but I'm just really excited, and now I have some knowledge to bring to the table because we want to try screen printing as well, mostly, so we'll see. But now I have so much more knowledge than before, and I feel like we can have a successful week, creative week. Yeah, I'm super happy. And just by literally this one print, I already learned so much. So yeah, how cool. I hope that you enjoyed the little insight into my printing workshop, and maybe you should check them out as well. It's called Print Club London. It is in Dalston in London, obviously, and super nice people, and yeah, we'll definitely do it again. Alright, enjoy the rest of your day or your night or your morning or whatever. Have a great day.